Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by. I've recently been asked if I create a tutorial on affiliate marketing and how you can get started in this business. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways to make money online. It's something I started doing way back in 2007. And although this business has certainly evolved, it's still an excellent way to make some serious money online. However, like any business, affiliate marketing takes some time and dedication to start off with. And this must be done in the right way to make sure you succeed. Many people think making money online is going to make them a millionaire overnight, or it's some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. I must stress, there is no such thing as get rich quick or making $1 million in your first month, unless you get lucky and win the jackpot on the lottery. However, you can make a life-changing amount of money through affiliate marketing when this is done the right way and ethically. I want to show you the correct way to become a successful affiliate marketer. As I've mentioned, you will have to put in some work, like you do with any business. But the difference is, this will be your own business with no one to answer to. When people ask me, what's the best way to make money online? I always say affiliate marketing because you can get started with zero startup costs. And you don't have to worry about any business expenses or overheads. And because there's no startup costs, you have absolutely nothing to lose. Well, maybe a little time and effort getting things set up. I would probably suggest, if you can, have a small budget available of around $100, maybe for a website or to use on marketing. It's not necessary, as you can still have great success doing this for free. So, what is affiliate marketing? Let's briefly cover this for those who don't know, and how it functions. I'll cover this in far more depth as we go through this tutorial. But the basics of affiliate marketing is you are not actually the person who owns products, but you are the one who is marketing them for a company. So, for example, let's say Nike, for instance, is selling their trainers and clothing. What we do is market these products for them through special links they provide us. And we post and share these links on the internet, maybe on our YouTube channel or on our website or shared through social media. And when someone purchases any of the products through us, we make a commission from Nike. So essentially, we are promoting another company's products, and in return, we receive commissions for any sales we make through our custom links. I hope this kinda makes sense. Now, you may be thinking, how do I get these affiliate links from different companies? Well, I'll also cover this too, so you can gain something from this tutorial today. I'm also going to give you an exclusive bonus at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around until the end to get this amazing free offer. Another great benefit of affiliate marketing is we don't have to deal with all the other things businesses have to, like dealing with stock and orders or having to deal with customers. As an affiliate marketer, all we have to do is just simply market the products for the business we're working with, and then they handle everything else from there. But one thing I really want to mention is we need integrity to be successful in this business. You'll have seen all the ads on the internet about how to make $100,000 a day using this magic method and stuff similar. This is what gives affiliate marketing a bad name, these so-called gurus selling crappy, unrealistic offers. This only ends up with unhappy customers wanting a refund. So please don't be this person, it'll only hurt you in the long run. And people just won't trust you. Okay, so now we know what affiliate marketing is, let's have a look at what niches you can choose and where to find products. Now, most companies that sell products will have an affiliate program or a referral program. The best way to find these is on their website or do a quick Google search. Just enter the company name and affiliate program. So for instance, Nike Affiliate Program. And this will show in the search results. You then have to register your interest to become an affiliate for them. Or if you can't find a product this way, there are some great affiliate network companies you can also use. So let's take a look at a couple of the affiliate programs you can use to promote products and services. The first site I want to show you is Amazon Associates. This is a great way to start off in affiliate marketing with an easy-to-use platform for beginners. It's a simple way to learn how to promote products. With Amazon Associates, you can choose literally any product from Amazon to promote and earn an income from affiliate marketing. They pay up to 20% in commissions. However, this is based on the type of products you are promoting. You can see from this table the percentages change for each category. The highest paying products is Amazon Games at 20%, then fashion being the second highest. This pays you between 10% and 12% depending on the monthly order value. Now, promoting your products is very straightforward. You need to sign up for an Amazon Associates account. You can choose from Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk depending on where you're located. You can actually sign up in any country, meaning this can be done worldwide. So click the link and follow the sign-up process by entering your details. It will also ask for a website link where you will be promoting your products. You can either create a blog post or you can create a free website using Google.sites. So when you've signed up, you can then start to promote your products. Let's say you want to promote fashion. You can see fashion covers quite a few areas, including jewelry, clothes, etc. I've typed into the Amazon search bar engagement ring and said you want to promote this ring here for £1,000. You simply click at the top of the screen where it says Get Link. You can either choose the link-only option, where you can post the URL for people to click. This will be a shortened link, so you can share anywhere on the internet, even on your social media accounts. You can also choose image or text and image. The text and image selection will give you some HTML code to place on your website or blog. This is great as it shows the picture of the item and a clickable button saying Shop Now. And for this product alone, you would earn a minimum of £100 if someone purchases the item. And that's if only one person purchases. Imagine if 10 people purchase, that's £1,000 you'll earn. Plus, with Amazon, they use cookies. So if anyone clicks your link and purchases any products within 24 hours, you'll also be paid for other items they purchase. So Amazon Associates is a great way to start promoting products and begin earning some decent commissions. The next site I want to show you is an affiliate network called Clickbank. This is one of the best and most popular websites used by affiliate marketers. They offer a wide range of categories where you will find a whole host of products you can promote. Some of the products offer great earning potential. So, search for Clickbank in Google, click the link and simply sign up to create your account. Once you've created your account, click the Affiliate Marketplace in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the page. Once in the marketplace, you'll see a list of categories you can choose from, depending on your niche. When clicking on the category, this will open up a drop-down showing a subcategory list. You could also click the Top Offers button. This will show you the best-selling products. And you can see the average commissions you can earn from promoting them. Now, if we click back to the marketplace, and let's say your niche is health and fitness, we click the tab and we see a list of products we could pick to promote. So let's choose diet and weight loss. Before we pick our product to promote, I want to show you how you choose a product we know is selling. Here where you see rank, change this to gravity. Now, the gravity score indicates the amount of products sold. So ideally, we want a gravity score of over 50. Let's choose this product here. If you click the top link, this will take you to the sales page. This is the page your customers would see when you promote your link. Next, we click the Affiliates tab. You'll need to input your Clickbank username and email address to access the affiliate area. You will then be able to access all your promotional tools. This is where you can generate your affiliate links. These are the web links you'll be posting. Make sure you enter your Clickbank nickname in the links. Simply replace where it is the X. This will identify your account and make sure you receive your payments. They also show you who is most likely to purchase this product. So if you decide to run paid traffic ads, you know the demographics of the buyers. And you'll have access to landing pages. You can download these and upload them to your own website. There are lead magnets you can use. There are banners where you can copy and paste the HTML code for your blog or website. Also, keywords to use for your ads for targeting customers. Even email swipes you can use to email your potential buyers, as well as videos you can upload to your website or to be used in ads. The affiliate tools on Clickbank are amazing, as they've done all the hard work for you. And these tools have been tried and tested, so you know they will convert. Now you have your product to promote. The next step is to generate traffic via your affiliate links, so people will purchase the item from you. You don't want to just copy your custom affiliate links and start posting them everywhere online. This comes across as spammy. There are set procedures you need to follow. Remember, people want content, they want to be educated and learn more about products before they purchase them. The most successful way to drive real organic and targeted traffic is through posting content that people will find interesting. This could be through creating your own website or blog. You could create a YouTube channel which is dedicated to promoting products in your chosen niche. I've actually created a separate video which shows you how you can generate super targeted traffic to your affiliate products. The video provides 4 free and very effective methods to drive huge amounts of organic traffic to any product. I've even given you a secret method where you can use a free piece of software that will do most of the work for you. So once you've chosen your product from Amazon or Clickbank, then make sure you watch this video next. I've posted the link to the video in the description below. Now, as I promised at the start of the video, I have an amazing bonus to give you. I've decided to give away my 10-part video tutorial for free. The video is a step-by-step, in-depth training course for beginners in affiliate marketing. It'll teach you from start to finish how to become successful in this business and provide you with all the tools you need. This type of training course would usually cost you hundreds of dollars to purchase. And I'm going to give this to you absolutely free of charge. No catch, no upsells. It's yours to help you on your affiliate marketing journey. You'll learn the best and most powerful platforms for selling your products. You'll have access to amazing, powerful tools for internet marketers. And you'll learn the secrets of successful affiliates. Plus, the most effective ways you can make money online. I know you'll find this extremely beneficial. Just make sure you implement the processes so you can start earning some great commissions. I've posted the link in the description below so you can download the full training course. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos and updates. And feel free to share this video if you think it'll help others. Thanks for watching.